Alright guys, in this week's video I'll be working my 2000 Ford Mustang here. It leaks gas whenever I take a turn. You can tell this is like gas varnish. I was parked on the side of the grass there and it leaked all the gas out and now the tank is empty. So hopefully I don't need to drop the tank, but there's a little donut, if I can get you on there. Right there, that little donut knee thing. That rubber. All right here. I need to get this little clip. Refill. Move this back. Yeah, like there. It's just cold, but yeah. I just really right. Almost. There we go. It's time to lower the tank. One second. Okay, after paying, I got it off. Now I gotta remember which way it went in. I think it went in the tank like that area. No way that part's getting into the tank like this. Sorry about the crappy camera work. Goes in the tank like this. You can see there's definitely a vapor leak. I don't know if this will cause the fuel leak, but yeah. So look up that part. Hopefully I can get it on Amazon for like 20 bucks or so. And it ain't coming until the 22nd, which is next week, Tuesday. Came a couple days earlier. Well, you want to see something cool that you want to see every time you get a project? Yes, cancer. Yeah. So I'm going to compare it between the one I have and this. Yeah. May look a bit different, but I slipped onto there. That was fine. But that ain't right nearly in. Yeah. I'll be back with you when it's in. With these two, your time is going to be much longer. Do anything. Yeah. They start eating my toes. I used a little bit of grease to get it in. It was awful. Don't recommend doing that, but use some kind of grease as, I don't know. But got that part in. Whole tank needs to move forward, and the jack is just slipping off of it. So need to make them to get up so I can get something to support the gas tank so I can lower it and put. All right, tank's up and in. It was very horrible to get that thing in there. Now last things to do is go ahead and connect that, and if you disconnect that, do that. Oh, sorry about that. Those 3 bolts there. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I do that, and hopefully I won't have the code ever again. Sorry about that, but probably 2.5, 3 hours to do an overall job. Maybe less if you don't have little geese eating your feet. But yeah, I appreciate every one of you guys for watching this video. I mean, if you want to see more Mustang content, let me know in the comment section below, because, well, the truck content did horrible, and, well, content this year is just a little bit down, or views wise. But next week, I don't know what I'm doing, since last week when it's really been confusing, but would have been Facebook Marketplace projects. But yeah, I appreciate every one of you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and remember, if your Mustang needs a gas tank rubber donut thing replaced, links in the description for the best deal I could find. And it was really simple to put in if I just lubricated it. And yeah, the putting the actual part in 10 minutes tops. And yeah, so I need to fill up, go to the gas station. My town is having some kind of concerts or so, and I hope the parking lot ain't crowded. I gotta finally wash the windows, but yeah. So I hope I see you guys either next week's videos, or I don't know, just subscribe for the Mustang videos, which I don't mind. Yeah, please subscribe for the Mustang content only if you want to. But they say bye-bye. See you next time. Oh, where's my insurance? Where's my insurance at? Nope. Oh, there's my insurance.
Everywhere. Back up.
That whoosh of gas at the beginning, I was not expecting.
Yeah. You even